They gazed in wide wonder at the joy they had found. The head nurse spoke up, said, leave this one alone. She could tell right away